Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some uh, Excel could not start last time safe mode could help you troubleshoot the problem, so how can fix this type of error. Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial, I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type uh, re, reg- open a registry editor. So open a registry editor, right click run as administrator. So open the registry editor. First of all, select a edge key current user and expand it. After that, select a software and expand it. After that, open a Microsoft and expand it. After that, go to your office. Now here is the office and expand it. Now you can see that the folder name is 12.0. If you install Office 2003, then folder name is 11.0. If you install Office 2007, then you can the folder name is 12.0. If you install Office 2010, then folder name is 14.0. And if you install Office 2010 13, then folder name is 15.0, and other latest any version of its install, then you can folder name is 16.0. So in my case I install Office 2007, so the Office now you can see that its name is 12.0. Now select Office version and expand it. After doing this, then go to your common folder and expand it. Click on now. After doing this, that you can find out a open find. So if the not install a open, and you can see that open find, then you can right click new and you can key and set a name is open find. Okay guys, select the open find, right click new and select the default 32 bit value and set a name is unable shell data caching. Okay guys, now add is open it and set a value data is 1 and click on OK button. Now after doing this, that close the registry editor, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a control panel and go to your control panel, go to your uninstalled programs and select Microsoft Office or Excel. Click on change, click on repair and click to continue. It's required of a few seconds for repairing. Now close it, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.